Hey, it's Cristian from Premier Piano, and today we're gonna knock out Sweet Dreams by Eurythmics, Annie Lennox, and Dave Stewart. Everyone's heard this beat. You've heard it. We love it. We know it. Okay, and this is you in a few minutes' time, with my help, of course. Yeah. Okay. So before we begin, please drop me a like, subscribe to this with your bell notifications on. I upload daily across my social media, and I also go at least 2 to 3 times on YouTube, uploading it. Live mixes, tutorials, piano stuff, everything. Vocals is coming up. I got a lot of stuff coming your way, so please check out my channel. And remember, this is by Premier Piano, my own personal website with the best online course for pianists, producers, period. Check it out, PremierePiano.shop. Okay? By the way, this was also a request, so leave me a comment. Drop it below. What do you want me to teach you next? I do respond. I do follow what you guys want. And I love doing what I do, which is why I do what I love. Okay? And that's how we go. So here we go. First things first, jump onto Songmaker, Google Chrome's Songmaker, which is a freeware software. Okay? Just browser, boom, you're in. Now, you're going to copy these settings across. Okay? So start by going over here into settings, boom. And here's what you want to do. You want 4 bars of 4/4 split into 4, which just means semiquavers. You don't want quavers. Go to chromatic and start from middle C. Now, full disclosure here, we're doing just the beat for this first one. If you want the melody added on top and extras, I can do that in the next tutorial, but let's keep it simple and let's keep it fun, okay? You do need to go 3 octaves for this, and that's just because of the technical top note. It doesn't really take that much. So because of the range and the limitations of Google Chrome not having 4 octaves, it's gonna sound slightly different in this middle section here that I've modified. So for all you musicians out there and piano teachers or whoever's watching and knows piano, you notice that these 2 octaves are actually meant to be lower, okay? So technical, they're meant to be 1 octave lower. I've dropped them up, gone up by 1 octave so that we can fit them in the window, okay? So don't start going technical there, Karen, okay? Please, go ahead. Just joking. All right, so you got middle C there. You got the 3 octave range chromatic. You're good to go. Boom, hit start, and this is what you should look like, okay? Now, it is at 120, which is the default tempo. That's the speed. So make sure that it is at 120 BPM with the rest of the song, and don't fiddle with it once you've done it. You could always just go click, 120, boom, you're ready to go, okay? Now go ahead and change these off. You can go piano and drum kit, which is the traditional, okay? But it's gonna sound so much better when you switch over to synth and electrics like me. Okay, so let's just leave it for the sake of this tutorial. Next, we're gonna move over right here and, whoops, get out of Pro Tools. We're gonna go up to the first part, which is the beat, the okay? Now, to get there, we're gonna start on the lowest C. Okay, dum dum. That's the first part. 1 and, the whole thing is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so nice and easy, not much syncopation, just good to go. Octave Cs, bum, bum, so dum 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 dum. If you want a piano tutorial, let me know. This is super easy and simple, and I'd love to do it if you want to watch it. Okay. Now we're gonna go over here. Okay, so we've got our E flat minors, E flats. If I can click the right one. Okay, so double octaves there. Dum 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 bum bum. Back to the C octaves, just octaves. A lot of fun, a lot of good stuff. Okay. All right, there's the first part. Now, technically, we're meant to drop down low, but Google Chrome doesn't have 4 octaves at the moment. So we're gonna jump up in order to do this, okay? So here we go. Gonna double up on these and just copy my template. Copy and paste, guys. Boom. Okay, so bum, 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 bum. Then we drop down by just a semitone, but we still finish on the same note. And that's magic. That's technically it. You're finished. Congratulations. Yeah, that's it, technically speaking. And you can always drop 4 to the floor, which I like to do here. Now remember this bottom part, if you're new to this channel under my tutorials, this is your drum kit part, okay? And you got kick and you got snare. You just need those 2 for now. Later Google Chrome may update. I hope they add more things in. And already that sounds so cool, right? Check it out. Here it is with the synth sounds added. It's a lot of fun. You gotta love this, okay? All right, now, you copy and paste that over, so do it again, and don't change the tempo. I'm here trying to work on my DAW at the same time. Okay, 120. I mean, if you want to hear it at 240, it'll sound interesting, but no, don't go there. Copy and paste that again, so bum, bum, octave, octave, yellows. Later we go over the notes. That's an E flat, okay? And then we go octaves again. Just copy and paste it on the double blues. But now we're gonna make it interesting. I always like adding something else. I like ramping it up. So as you see here in the bottom part, 4 to the floor, kick, 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 snare, kick, snare. We're gonna add to the next part. So we're gonna go kick, snare, kick, snare. And if you wanna double up on that kick, just to keep that 4 going, it's gonna give it a bit of oomph and a bit of punch. And then finally, you've got the last ones, the da, 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 da. So here we go, da, 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 da. It's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and at the end, da, 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 just go nuts. All buttons in. It's gonna sound great. Kick all of that in, and here is what it sounds like. Yeah. And we're in. Now, final little touch. Let's brush this up, okay? Final little touch. Put this onto synth and put this onto electronic. So that's so much better. Let's do one at a time. Let me leave it on piano, but I'm gonna change the kick to electronic. Now listen how much deeper it's gonna sound. Ready? That kick. How good is that, okay? And then let's change that to, let's have some fun. How about some strings? Switch. Woodwinds. What about marimbas? Sounds like Among Us. Next, game music. Gaming music for sure. Let's change it. Piano. But you know what you want to hear. Where's those electronics? 1, 2, 3, drop it. And there's your live mix, guys. You're welcome. Brought to you by Premier Piano, my website, the best place for beginner pianists, producers, or someone just interested in music. Making music, loving music. That's what we do, guys, here. Okay? So, thanks again for watching. My name is Christian. Don't forget, please like, subscribe. And before you go, wait, save that. You gotta save it, okay? It'll give you the link. Copy, paste the link, and you can redo it and not lose your work. And if you want this exact template, it's in the description right there below, okay? While you're there, check out my website. The freemium part of Premiere Piano is awesome. Free tutorials, free giveaways, free downloads, all there. And if you want to take it to the next level, I do have courses as well. That's what I do. That's what I love. I am a music teacher, musician, a pianist, vocalist, composer, producer, but I'm here to help you. So let me know what you want me to do next. Drop me a comment below. Share this, share the love, guys. Thanks for subscribing and watching. My name is Christian. I'll see you next time.